Friday last week, the cops, South African Police Service, Eldorado Park, at 2 o'clock in the morning, on a school day, they go to the house. Hulle vat 'n 14-jarige broer, maak hom wakker uit die slaap uit. Ons moet die kind gaan arrest. Hulle ry daar wat sy gaan bly. Dit in Netsorina. Hulle ry met hy laaitjie. Hy moet skool toe gaan. Hulle ry met hom Netsorina toe. Hulle gaan arrest die kind last week Friday. They bring her to the police station. They have her in the police cells. In the same day, she comes to court. In the same day, they take her to Sun City. Maar my vader, 'n innocent kind. Hoekom kan julle nie dit doen met drug lords? Hoekom kan julle nie dit doen met murderers? Hoekom kan julle dit? Die kinders word geskiet hier in die strate. Ek het nog nooit gesien. I've never seen when somebody gets robbed, gets hijacked here in Eldos, that the police is so efficient. Hulle staan nie 4 o'clock op en gaan maak mense wakker om 'n murderer te gaan vang nie. Mandla killed Chesney. He murdered her in cold blood. Toe wat doen die police? Hulle los hom laat hy eers te huis toe gaan. Hy het sy gun gaan haal. Hulle gee vir 'n murderer 'n kans om 'n gun te gaan haal. An innocent child that did nothing. Julle ry agter haar om haar wakker te gaan maak en op dieselfde dag word sy in die hof gesit en Sun City toegevat.
Same day.
I left it, I was quiet. She was brought, she was supposed to be at the court today. The magistrate said it's remanded until today. We all came to support her. We all thought this thing is going to be over. The grandmother agreed she's going to withdraw the case. When the grandmother went in here to withdraw the case, the IO from SEP's police station, he only signed the dockets and stuff this morning. We were sitting there and watching him. He brought it to her today, only whilst before court. When she brought it, when he brought it to her, he then made a sign. The charge was just assault. The charge was just assault on there. When I read it, he didn't want me to read it. Hey, gaan aan like is a scandal of it. He's forcing her to sign. She signs. We have an attorney to ask to facilitate the process for the withdrawal. The Omaspil victim, the IO, says they must wait. He goes and speaks to the people of the court. Then he calls them in. Dis nou die goede dat happen van mense van SEP's Eldorado Park. Hulle praat daarso. As hulle uitkom, the clerk was going to ensure the withdrawal because it's her right to withdraw.
So true.
They then changed the story. No, they will not withdraw. Because they must protect her. She's the victim. The people are crying because it's a sad story. Everybody knows this child. Now they're refusing to take the withdrawal of the case. Not only that, we have screenshots of what the charge was, assault. They then, right here today, added domestic violence to the charge. As a result, they're now saying because domestic violence is added, the attorney can't apply for bail now. To make it even worse, the magistrate that last week said, die kind moet kom vandag. Guess what? Guess what? They never brought Chamonix to the court today.